Udon noodles. This is my favorite Asian noodle. I've had Asian friends give me cold noodles. I do not like cold noodles. I do not like egg noodles. My favorite noodles is udon. So we are going to be making soup today using udon noodles. It is raining all day. It's Ophelia is out there, tropical storm Ophelia, and so it's just raining cats and dogs, and it's a good day to have some soup. I'm not going to make the beef stock like the Asians do. I'm gonna make it the way I grew up making it. So we're starting off by boiling the beef bones, and to that I have added some onions, and additionally I have put into the pot some green peppers, some red peppers, onions, garlic, and celery. Once the bones get tender, I added some pumpkin, and then I am seasoning the pot with onions, onion powder, garlic powder, sazon, and Mrs. Dash. We let that cook down for a while. Once the pumpkin has dissolved and all the vegetables have melted and we have a good vibe going on, we are going to add our udon noodles. So the udon noodles are basically pre-cooked, so they don't have to be boiled for a long period of time. So you make your soup, and within the last 5 minutes of your soup being ready to get off the stove, you will add the udon noodles and let it cook. I also added some Maggi chicken soup mix from the pack to the pot for additional flavor. That was, my taste, my choice. And now I'm just going to let that simmer down. Please remember that this is my kitchen and I cook for me and my family. I do not need to be wearing black gloves or white gloves or any type of gloves because I'm cooking in my kitchen for me and my family. So this is our choice. You may not like what you see, but I'm not serving the public. Okay, thank you.